Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how I use glue to install hair system. If you watch my previous video, you might know that I'm not the biggest fan of wig glue, as it requires more effort to apply and isn't that easy to clean. However, for occasions when you need extra hold beyond just hairspray, here's how I do it. This is the Quanta hair system from Lordhair, and first let's start with applying the tapes. This time, I'm going to place the tape around the hair system, but not all the way to the frontal lace. I'm going to leave some space for the glue. Alright, now that the tapes are in place, let's go ahead and apply the hair system onto the head. First, position the hair system onto the head. Then gently apply a small amount of the hair glue on the forehead where there's no tape. Remember, just a tiny bit is enough. And then next, use a small brush to spread the glue evenly, creating a thin, smooth layer. Wait until the glue dries completely and turns transparent. You can use a blow dryer on the cool setting to speed up the process. And now, you can gently press down the lace onto your forehead. Alright, that's basically how the hair glue works. However, I'm not completely satisfied with this hairstyle, so I'm going to rinse the hair and try a different look. Alright, so using the hair glue is just one method for installing the hair system, and it provides extra hold. However, in my daily life, I usually use the methods like hairspray or full tape application. So be sure to check out my other videos for more options. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you next time.